Yeah. Truth telling, time is up. Truth telling, time is up. Me teacher mo nyina bibia wo bia no. E be din komo kakra bi about how so ye bema e kwan bo fa so no that treat wo yire. So what you say? How you should treat your wife. Because ayo oba ayo obi ne ba ayo obi ne ba ena wo no wo so open ena wakobɔ ne ho ka ɛwɔ busuafo nkyɛn ena wawale no ɛbetina wo kyɛ wo fie. But what you say obi timi yɛ saa de no obi timi yɛ saa de no ena wakobɔ ɔba bi ho ka wakɔyɛ ne ho adeɛ ɔde bɛsi dem a sana na adweye ne sɛ wakɔtɔ ban no ɔbɔ de bia no ɔbɔ de bia. Oh bema you are to love your wife. Minim say you were oba sebi minim pa say you were oba stubborn ones omu wo ho. But you see, when you say that the man is the head of the family, mean you when you are the head of the family, I think I can say we are the head. And no nkyerɛ sɛ wo bema wo kasa final debi sana bebree se bema de wonya kasa final but debi. Why do we say that men are the head of the family? Yekasa because the head is where you have the eyes to see. Just say ebusia obenya enidaso bi your wife, your children. Say all family ebenya enidaso bi a ejina wo bema no so. Say abusia no na so be ne de na koma beto ne yem your wife, your children. If they are to feel comfortable, if they want to hear something which is appeasing, they must hear from you, the father. Again, you have the mouth, the taste. And as a mouth, nti ebusia obedidi your wife, your children, if they are to eat, it depends on you, the father. Anytime make some way, mama chiremu clear. Your senses baku 5. Sa 5 senses, you will get all of them on the head. The eyes, that is the sight. The nose, smelling, that is the smell. The tongue, taste. And already the hearing. And akabaku touch no skin no ye skin no eguni plebiane nyina ho. Nti ye ka say the man is the head of the family. These are the ways. What you say? And when I say bema o kasa fana, you are to involve your wife, man ka say girlfriend. Involve your wife into your decisions. And ka oba be take plan bi. See oba no so ne de na dwenkyere. Ebusuya, ye taka asem bi say, we normally say something that mpanatwe eye de chiawale ahianjeje evivi twa usoro. Sana ye taka. Anamabua. We normally say that courtship and as a dating is sweeter than marriage, but it is never true. Me, I'm a young boy, young man. I know. Yes, I know. But I know what exactly I'm talking about. Say, dating is sweeter than marriage. I don't know why we normally say this. It is never true. Adentina, courtship and as a dating, is sweet. If you are dating a lady, if you are dating a guy, what do we normally do? You call her. I say, oh, honey, hello. No, so hello. Oh, oh, Mowofie. Oh, honey, sweetie. Yesterday, I didn't see you and I could not eat. And not the whole day, I could not sleep because I did not see you. Now, Obano so now I am dead. Also, one I test you, what's up, Yabe? And she also test you. I love you. Where are you? Oh, my darling. This make the courtship sweet. Every weekend, it's a Saturday like this. Then you take your girlfriend to beach or to some drinking bar somewhere. No one could gym malt. And you give her one bottle of malt plus 2 kebab. Oh, na otina ho na odi na mo di nkomo anamaboa. Say if you are dating a lady, this what you normally do. Today, me phone nkomo. She is your wife. This what we normally do. So in dating, there is something called outing. You take your girlfriend out. You can take your girlfriend to a boutique and buy a dress for her. Anamabua. Good. Or one more tesi mo. Then why after the marriage you have stopped doing all those things? Why after the marriage you don't take your wife out? So this is the problem. After you've married her, still the way you did it in the courtship, in the dating, and she likes you, you must continue doing that. Continue, take her out, take her to beach. So don't camp her in the house. All that you did in dating and she likes, you must continue the same thing. But mostly, after you marry her finish, then she becomes housewife. No, but Danny housewife. No. Brother, and yes, sir. So what I say, she's your life, your wife. Show some appreciation. Say sweet things to your wife. Oh, one friend. You still call your wife the name her parents give her. Do you still call your wife the name her parents give her? Is wrong. You are to find a special name that you alone will use to call her. A special name kura. Don't call the name their parent give her. Don't use it to call her in a marriage. Find a sweet name. Say sweet thing to her. Oh, one catch you. Oh, sweetie. Oh, say sweet things to your wife. What do you say? She's not a band. Bobby Cran and a yiri, almost them one. Now, I say Jet Li and a Bruce Lee and a tear them. Obin and a yiri, it is like Bruce Lee, it's like John Cena and Roman Reigns. Not into one thing. It's not good. It's never good. What do you say? So you have to show something. Love your wife. I know that we have stubborn ones. I have a separate message for them. I have a message for them. But Bema, the way you treated your wife while dating her, continue to treat her the same way after you marry her. When you were dating each other, you used to take her to beach. You used to take her out to some party. Now all those things. Why after marrying her, you've come her into the house and you call her housewife. And now you go out to look for another one again. No problem. But the one who is your wife must feel comfortable. She must feel secure. You must provide her security. So, sometimes I have faith. So, you the man, you go to work. You cannot come early. And you call your wife. Oh, you mention her name, the name you used to call her. Because of this, I normally come home at 5. But today, maybe I will come home at 5:30. She's away. So, you come and your wife take one of your shirts. And she wear it. She is missing your presence. It means she is missing your presence. Oh, but who's Bema bit to be who say, Nairi, the Natali, and the shepherd into qua. I want to opedodo, no. She's your wife. She's your wife. So say sweet things to her. No matter how she is. That is your wife. No matter how she is, no matter how she looks, whether she is beautiful, whatever, or whatever. Bema, you saw it. You saw it before paying, before asking her in marriage. So no matter how she is, whether she was beautiful, whatever, Bema, that is your wife. Say sweet things to her. Eh? Don't correct your wife. Eh? Don't reprimand. Don't correct your wife in front of people. One of the big mistake may for omotaye. Hear me for the times I mistake na papa. Correcting wife in front of people. Share my memo story be. Eye bema bi o. Na down for why invite the friends say they should come and dine with him. Omoba no. Na yire de aduane a oye no. There's too much salt. The soup is so salty. And the wife presented this food to the guest and his wife, her husband. So the man tasted the food first, and he realized that the soup is salty. And he told the guests, the friends, that, yeah, my friends, this soup is less salty. I didn't know that you will be coming by now. I normally am under some medication, and I asked my wife to do it like this. So please manage it, and later on we shall know what to do. And after that, the man went in to the wife and tell her, oh, sweetie, that soup too much salt. And we catch them out there. Banka bema bia. Onya tesi soup ya no who say salt to mupe. Ah, busia. This the soup I'll be eating in this household. Obawe, only mubiani ye, no status or disgracing the it's never fine. And yet correct. And yet true. Bema, it is your own wife. Do never correct your wife, reprimand your wife in front of people, even in front of your children. Don't correct her. Or yeah, either so the way you'll give her a sign with your eyes, or you'll call her in and correct her. Manka seven correct you. Hi, or your bonita also with me, but not in front of people. Okay, you want to show love to your wife. That's what I say. Appreciate her at all times. Appreciate her. Because I didn't make some way. Do you know, women, Miss Yafo, excuse me, my mother is a woman, and I know what I'm talking about. Every woman is naturally witches. Ye be before na say witcher, na ye dwa kwesi abi fufuro so. Se me say witcher, enye se o wi nipa na mo. Women are naturally witches. If a woman stand for his son or his sorry. If a woman stand for her child to succeed, hey, no matter what, the child will succeed. She will be praying for you in the morning, in the evening, even when whatever she's doing, she'll be praying for that child. The same way, if your mother says, you Kofi Kwabana Kwame, and yet you will never prosper. No matter what, you will fail in life. And it's here. At dawn, as your mother woke up to sleep, she is cursing you. As going to private, she is cursing you. No matter what she's doing, she is cursing you. Women are naturally witches, and they are naturally powerful. Women, they are naturally powerful. So show love to your wife. She will be praying for you. She will support you psychologically. Everything you do, your wife's spirit will be with you at all times. And yourself, you will start seeing changes in your family. You will start seeing changes in your professional life. Wife, they are powerful. They are very, very powerful. Very powerful. Every morning before you go to work, make sure you make peace with your wife. You make peace with your wife before you go to work. No, I share it. Are you secret? Are you secret to be? I'm showing. Even if there's a problem in the house, make sure your wife says, save Jenny before you leave the house. Save Jenny before you go to work, before you travel from your house to work. Your wife, make sure that your wife tells you, save Jenny before you move on. Bema, go to the work yourself, you will clap for the nature. Perfect. So she's your wife, abusuya. She's your wife. Show a kind of appreciation and love to her. So what you say? Bema bi timi wale na yiri. Oba na tifi. Okwa abonti na wakahye another girl. Na wato mot. Na waje kebab. Na wato aduane e de kan e de masa girlfriend. Obefie ana na yiri bisa no. Sika se oye de o de kobusu ana akoto mosquito coil. Na bema na start say obo na yiri bia. So we bad luck woman. Or you say. No. No. So courtship is never sweeter than marriage. It is our fault, especially with the men. It is our fault. After marrying the woman, we stop doing those text messages. Like you are in work, or one text break time. On your shit, no for phone. What WhatsApp your wife? Honey, are you in the house? Are you in the market? I'm missing you. Oh, I'm missing you. Or one texting message. More hokra or tiwo no for phone. No texting text message. Or tiwo jeng no texting. Sana mesiafompe. Ladies always want attention. What time yes I there? What I continue yes I You what I'm saying right now. Practice it only 1 month. Practice it 1 month. You will see changes. Truth telling time. We know the truth and we share the truth. But I must say, reality. Yeah, I'll be back soon. Right now. Everything. She is your wife and give a levels of love and appreciation to her. Thank you. Thank you.